Alright. Let's do this. We're gonna start the new Jurassic World pinball card experience.
The truck is coming down. Game start. Go, go, go!
Oops.
Wonderful. Do it one more time.
What? Down the car? I don't understand. I did.
What?
I don't understand. I did play it.
How'd you do it?
I just pressed. I don't know why I pressed the words down the car.
Hit it again.
I don't know. Let's see.
How to play. Push the start button. Push the car until it reaches big win target.
I did.
Win tickets based on
How to
where
play.
the truck stops.
Stop here. Big win.
I'll tell him.
I literally have no idea what I'm doing.
How to play. Push the start button. Push the car until it reaches big win target. Win tickets based on where the truck stops.
Stop biting your nails.
I don't know why I just moved it forward and pressed this. I don't know how it works exactly. It says how to play. Control the power to push the car to stop at big win.
So it will come down. Then when you push it up, whatever it actually lands on is those tickets you win. If you can land it in that one red spot, it'll be just the big win amount up there.
So when it hits that win, I press this button.
No, that's just to bring the car down.
How
You
to
don't have
play.
to touch that button after that.
Push the start button. Push the car until it reaches big
What did you
win
get?
target. Win tickets based
you
on
win
where the
tickets?
truck stops.
I mean, I did win 30 of it.
Okay.
So how do I try this again?
Oh, slide the card in.
The truck is coming down.
So
Game start.
You don't even have to press
Go,
it.
go, go! Push the car too hard.
That was it.
Control your
Yeah,
power.
if you throw it too hard, it'll just give you 10 tickets.
that explains it. Yeah, that explains a lot.